So I got up out of bed today. I'm in a pretty good mood. I'm glad about that, happy about that. I know my family is. Got ready to go about my day, got dressed, started to head out the door to do some errands, and I realized it was Friday. I said, holy crap, I'm not wearing red. Well, what is red about? You know, what is this RED? You know, you'll see a lot of servicemen, a lot of supporters wearing these shirts, or wearing at least the color red on Fridays. So the acronym, imagine that, another acronym, RED. Remember everybody deployed, right? And the most common motto that goes with it is until they all come home. Yeah? So every Friday, you're going to see me wearing red because I'm not going to forget. You know, and that's the idea of it, is to remind everybody that your rights, your liberties, your freedoms are being protected by somebody who's currently, you know, humping in 120-degree weather, or out there climbing through some damn mountain range, or, you know, whatever, just sacrificing their own personal life, essentially, to make sure that you can do what you want to do as an American, you know, keeping our country safe and free, and that's huge, folks. So if you want to show your support, like I said, it doesn't matter if you're a civilian, if you're a veteran, you know, all you want to do is show our men and women in uniform, past and present and future, that there's still some respect left in this world for them. So with that said, every Friday, wear something red. You know, there's a plethora of veteran-owned shirt companies out here that make these shirts all the time in different variations. You may not like one design, well, go find another one with a different one. Or you know what? Go get a plain old beefy tee that's red. That's good enough. You know, wear a red ascot or a tie or something, but show some support, you know. It means a lot. It actually, as far as I'm concerned, it means more to me to see somebody wearing red on Friday and understand why they're wearing it than when people walk up to me and say, well, thanks for your service. So keep that in the backs of your heads. And remember, on Fridays, when you see folks wearing red, there's a reason why. Remember everybody deployed, folks. Show them some support. Show them some love. Let them know that you're thankful and you're appreciative for your rights, your liberties, and your freedoms that they make possible for you. Thanks.